This kitchen is a little outdated, but rather than give it a big overhaul, I want to show you what just a few touches of paint can do. So here are the ingredients you'll need. A canvas drop sheet, some tile and laminate cleaner, tile and laminate primer, laminate paint, a paint pot, a really good quality brush, and some painter's tape. You can give old or daggy looking tiles like this an instant facelift really easily with a coat of paint. The backsplash is also an area that gets a lot of grease and grime, so let's give it a good clean first. I'm painting this strip right here, so let's get some painter's tape on there so I only get paint where I want it to go. To make sure the tile and laminate paint really sticks, let's get some primer on there first. I just want to add a few more touches of paint to this kitchen. So I'm painting the ends of some wooden utensils. It's a really simple process. You just tape off the spoon at the end and then paint the rest with a really good quality brush. Then we can hang them up for a splash of colour. All right, so now that our primer's dry, I've just given it a bit of a sand back very lightly. Then we can get our tile paint on there. Now, I was a bit restricted with my colour palette because we've got orange benches, but I've decided to complement the benches with this beautiful whispering apricot. Because this tile area is really on display, you want to make sure you get a beautiful finish. And that means using a really good quality brush like this Monarch 50mm walls, doors and trims brush. I've just finished that second coat. Now it's time to take off the masking tape while the paint's still wet so we get a nice clean line. Isn't it amazing how just a few touches of paint, just like this, and the right accessories can transform the whole look of your kitchen?